Hospital disaster management plans represent the foundational framework for medical facilities to maintain resilience during catastrophic events. This session focuses on the systematic preparation required to handle sudden surges in patient volume while maintaining high standards of care. We will examine the structural requirements of these plans, the specific objectives they aim to achieve, and the critical components that ensure operational continuity. By understanding these protocols, healthcare professionals can move from reactive chaos to organized response, ultimately saving more lives when every second counts. Throughout this lecture, we will explore how coordination, resource management, and continuous training form a cohesive strategy for modern hospital safety and emergency preparedness. What is a hospital disaster management plan begins with a clear definition of disaster plan, which is a structured, written document that guides hospital response during disasters to prevent disorganized efforts. The purpose of the plan is centered on three pillars: ensuring patient safety, facilitating seamless staff coordination, and maintaining the continuity of services even when infrastructure is stressed. Finally, the scope of application is broad, as it applies to natural disasters like earthquakes, man-made incidents such as mass casualty accidents, and public health emergencies like pandemics. Each of these elements ensures the hospital remains a functional sanctuary during any crisis. Objectives of the disaster management plan focus on strategic outcomes. Protecting patients and staff is the primary goal, aiming to ensure physical safety and minimize casualties through proactive protective measures. Maintaining essential services is equally vital, as the plan must keep critical hospital functions, like emergency surgeries and intensive care, operational under severe emergency conditions. Lastly, efficient resource utilization involves the optimization of available staff, specialized equipment, and medical supplies. By managing these resources effectively during crises, the hospital prevents shortages and ensures that the right tools are available for the most critical needs. Key components of the plan involve specific operational strategies. Risk assessment and hazard analysis is the first step, requiring administrators to identify potential threats and specific vulnerabilities within the hospital's physical and digital infrastructure. Emergency response procedures provide clear, step-by-step actions tailored for different disaster scenarios, ensuring no guesswork occurs during a crisis. Additionally, evacuation and triage protocols serve as essential guidelines for moving patients safely out of danger zones and prioritizing medical care based on the severity of injuries. These components transform a theoretical plan into a practical, life-saving operational manual for all personnel. Coordination and communication are the lifelines of any disaster response. Internal coordination ensures that all hospital departments, from the pharmacy to the surgical suites, work together efficiently without overlapping efforts. External communication involves maintaining constant, reliable contact with emergency services, local police, and public health authorities to synchronize the regional response. Furthermore, information flow is critical, as accurate and timely communication reduces confusion among staff and the public, which significantly improves the overall speed and effectiveness of the hospital's response. Without these communication channels, even the best technical plans can fail due to fragmented information. Training and plan review ensure the strategy remains effective over time. Staff training programs are designed to educate all personnel on their specific roles and responsibilities during disasters, ensuring everyone knows exactly where to go. Simulation drills are conducted to practice these responses in a controlled environment, which helps identify areas for improvement before a real event occurs. Finally, regular plan updates are mandatory, as administrators must review and revise the plan based on lessons learned from drills and changing environmental risks. This cycle of practice and revision ensures the hospital's readiness is never static, but always evolving.